Ever wondered how to transform that little patch of green in your backyard into your own personal Eden? Home gardening is an art that not only beautifies your surroundings but also provides a source of fresh, healthy produce right at your fingertips. It's a journey from sowing the first seed to reaping the ripe fruits of your labor. Today we delve into the step-by-step process of home gardening. The first step is choosing the right plants for your climate and space. It's crucial to understand the local climate conditions and the sunlight exposure of your garden. From sun-loving tomatoes to shade-tolerant ferns, there's a plant for every garden. And remember, size matters too. Some plants, like sprawling pumpkin vines, require ample space, while others, like compact herbs, can thrive in small pots. Next, you turn your attention to the soil, the bedrock of your garden. Preparing the soil involves loosening it up with a garden fork or tiller and enriching it with organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure. This process creates a nutrient-rich and well-draining planting area ready to nurture your plants. With the soil prepared, you're ready to plant. Whether you're using seeds or seedlings, remember to follow the planting instructions on the packet. Planting depth, spacing, and timing can make a huge difference in the success of your garden. The journey doesn't stop at planting. Regular watering is vital to keep the plants hydrated, but beware, overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. Strive to maintain a balance, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. In addition to watering, your garden needs regular weeding. Weeds compete with your plants for nutrients, sunlight, and water. By removing them regularly, you ensure your plants get the resources they need. Just as a healthy diet fuels our bodies, plants too need nutrition. Organic fertilizers or compost can help promote robust plant growth. Apply these according to the needs of your plants and watch them flourish. As a gardener, you'll also need to play the role of a vigilant guard, monitoring your garden for pests and diseases. From aphids to powdery mildew, early detection and appropriate action can save your garden from potential disaster. And then comes the moment you've been waiting for, the harvest. Pick fruits, vegetables, or herbs when they are ripe. But remember, over-harvesting can weaken your plants. So, pick judiciously, leaving enough to allow the plant to continue growing. Finally, don't let your hard work go to waste. Preserve excess produce through canning, freezing, or drying. This way, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor even in the off-season. In a nutshell, home gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a continuous cycle of planning, planting, caring, and harvesting. It's a journey of growth, not just for the plants, but for you, the gardener. And the reward? A garden brimming with life, a table laden with homegrown meals and snacks, and the satisfaction of nurturing life from a tiny seed. So why wait? Grab those gardening gloves and embark on your gardening journey today.